Well, I haven't done a good job filming this week. Basically, I've been working on the truck basically every afternoon after I get off work for a couple hours. I'm fixing to show you some progress that I've made. I've only worked on it maybe a total of 4 afternoons. I got the shop cleaned up, got the truck washed before I put it in here, a few other things, but already pulling the new motor apart. Got the intake shelf up, you can see in there, ported and polished D&J head. Looks very nice. Got the side draft off, got the front cover off. You can see the cam gears welded, crank gears welded, ready for all the RPMs. Got a pretty good sized cam in this thing too, not gonna lie. It's not your typical 188, 220. It's nasty. It should flow some air. I almost had a goof up. I pulled the D&J freeze plugs. Almost had a goof up though. I almost lost one of the nuts inside the motor. Crossed my fingers, I got it out, everything's good to go. But basically we're pulling everything off, sending a powder coat. I got my table and new stuff set up, which I'll probably go over in a new video. We got some more stuff from Trin. You've already seen the Cummins parts. I do have some stuff for sale. This is kind of everything that's coming off the motor right now. But if anybody knows anybody wanting a twin fueler kit, ATS, for an 03 to 07 Cummins, mine is for sale, complete kit with instructions. I have some of the fuel lines that it originally came with. I made all AN lines, but it doesn't come with the pump. I'm keeping my top pump. But fan clutch, all that good stuff. But here's the truck. Like I said, I've made pretty good progress. I could have probably already had the motor out, but you know, I needed to get this stuff off that I needed to sell first, because I got to sell quite a bit of stuff that come off my truck. I still got a couple of brackets that need to come off for the twin fueler kit. Got the power steering pump. Got the AC compressor. I wanted to get the turbo off, but we may have threw a little bit of heat at it. It's kind of, the center section's kind of stuck to the exhaust housing right now. So I've been spraying that, and I might take a little heat. But I'm kind of happy with the progress I've made so far. So the GoPro keeps giving me fits. My old GoPros is basically a piece of junk. So going to the good old iPhone, which probably is better quality than that old GoPro anyways, but there's a list of stuff that's all going to powder coat. I am going to go ahead and get the rad support, or whatever this is called. I'm too dadgum tired right now. But there's the front cover, the water neck, brackets, just random brackets, power steering bracket, coolant bypass for the Fleece. Fleece coolant bypass block there. Got the CP3 cover. I got the fuel pump block off plate. All the D&J freeze plugs. Probably not going to do too much editing on this video. Just make it seamless. I am taking this. That's my old condenser guard for up front. But probably not going to do much editing on this video. Just kind of slam it together. Just wanted to give an update. The first gen that was in the shop is in its new hiding place. I will eventually get to working on that truck. When, I'm not sure. I kind of went a little drastic with the motor and everything with this one. So I got some plans first, but I don't know if the GoPro got it, but the back of the truck's full of junk. Bumper, intercooler, got the radiator sitting over here. But that's where we're at. Like I said, I got one thing boxed up. Going to my buddy Justin. Hopefully he'll put it to good use. Got some good parts coming your way, man. And that's pretty much it. Went and bought some drain pans so I can drain my transmission fluid, because I plan to just reuse the fluid. I mean, it looks great. Really has 0 miles on it. It's really just a lot of work on my part, because I felt like learning that power level first, but yeah, I'd say the iPhone picks up a little better. But it's coming apart. Basically, all I gotta do is pull the transfer case, drive shafts, down pipe, and the motor's ready to come out. If anybody has ever made any power steering lines from like the braided the braided stainless or the wherever the other braided one is, like my AN lines that I make, leave a comment for me, because I'm really thinking about doing something with this. I'm not sure yet, but I want to do something to clean it up. And other than that, oh, and the other thing, if anybody wants some good quality injectors, these are 143 degree 0304 pattern. They'll go in a 6.7 if you're running a 5.9 ECM, or if your tuner prefers this pattern in the 04.5 to 07. These are 100% over Fleece injectors. Less than 10,000 miles. They'll make great power. They make great power turn down. I need to sell them for the new motor. So if anybody wants those, shoot me a message, please. Everything's in great shape, nothing wrong with them. Other than that, that's pretty much where I'm leaving off this weekend. It'll be a little while before I probably do another update video or anything. Got a little bit of work stuff, and just life gets in the way, but we're gonna have it done. Hopefully have it done before a no prep event here coming up in September is the plan, to have this beast of a thing running. Probably see better now with the freaking camera. D&J's port and polished, stage 3 head. Well, I guess it's really a combo, because you can't go on the 6.4s, you can't put the full size valve like you can in the true bore 6.7, so. But it should be a nice flowing head. Like I said, I'll have that to match, and we'll start hopefully putting accessories on this thing here pretty soon. Like I said, I've got quite a bit of stuff sitting over here ready to go on. Guys at Fleece got me some stuff. I think that's the coolant bypass. Most of this y'all guys already seen in the first video, but that's where I'm gonna leave it off. So there we go. Old light is getting tore down.